In order to remove the quick-release spring bars from the watch strap, you need to take the following steps. 1. Move the lever of the spring bar to the middle of the strap, as far as possible to the edge of the hole. Now the edge of the spring bar sticks out on one side, and on the other, it is hidden inside the strap. 2. The free edge of the strap, where the pin does not stick out, must be bent away from you, so that the edge of the bar with the lever looked outside of the watch strap. 3. Pull out the quick-release spring bar. To insert the pin, repeat everything in reverse order. On the strap shown before, it was very easy to replace the pin. In reality, it might look a little more complicated to you, like this. Sometimes it is necessary to free the edges of the pin from the end paint with a needle. Also, sometimes the leather inside can cling to the pin, so you may have to use force. Don't be afraid. Leave a comment if you have any questions and visit our resources for great Horween leather